Rise Upper, how are you today? So I got those 2 simple steps that you can implement right now in order to crush negativity and get out of it like that. And that comes from a challenge that I'm doing right now, and I shared those 2 simple steps, 2 hacks if you will, that you can use to start use the force, if you will, to get to where you want to and get it faster. So keep on watching and have an amazing and productive day. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, that I know that you want more of it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell notification that you won't miss out any episode. So have an amazing and productive day. I will see you in a sec. Have a great one. SOC family, what's up? Talking with you from the desert. How are you doing? How the challenge go up for you? Right now I'm on day 13. What day are you right now? Comment below. And when you're doing the challenge, and by the way, I love to see all the activity. I love to see that all of you are fired. I love that. So when you're going live or when you're talking about your challenge, just hashtag TBL challenge and the day that you're in, that we can be there and support you, and that we all are here to rise up together. So basically, do we let fear control us? Because day 13 talks about all about the negativity, about can it control us, can it dim us out. You know, I let fears and negativity to control and consume me to the point that I felt dimmed. I felt like life is ended, like the word, that's it, no more, like I will never get back on my feet. So basically, I will talk briefly. If you don't know the story, I got injured 9 years ago when I have a CRPS syndrome. That's a chronic regional pain syndrome that caused pain to the section that got hurt. In my case, it's my leg. And you think I'm standing on 2 legs, but I find a creative way to stand. So anyway, I'm not letting that stop me. And you know, I got injured while I was in the army 9 years ago. And when I got injured, I thought that that's it. My whole life is ended. I got disabled. That's it. I didn't want to say the word disabled because I kept denying that I have the injury. I kept denying that something bad happened. I was trying to be on the pink glasses, if you will, seeing all the positivity. But actually, the good thing is to see and become aware to what happened. So yeah, I got injured, I'm disabled. What am I doing right now? And you know, for years I let it consume me to the point I was lying in the bed and praying for something to happen. Pray that something will change. Pray that I will be in a better place. But will the pray alone could change something? No. And you know, I do believe in God. I do believe that if you really want something and you put it in front of you, you will get there. But just praying, just thinking about it won't take you there, won't get you there, especially when we are ignoring what's going on and think that everything is sunshine and rainbows. Or if we're getting into the place that we think on a bad situation, negativity situation, that everything is bad, nothing will get better, and all that crap. Been there, done that, both of the situation. And what happened is, when we don't have kind of a balance, if you will, in the force, a balance in the force in that way. I'm a huge Star Wars fan. Anyway, yeah, if we don't have the balance in that force and we don't actually see things, become aware to it, and then change it. Because I was and still disabled, right? But what can I do for it? Is that, and ask that question in order to crush negativity. That helps me tremendously and still is helping me. And that question is that useful to me? Is that useful to me when negative thoughts come, and negative thoughts will always come. We can't stay positive all the time because and sadly, we as human beings wired to think negative. Think about it. If let's say your son or your mom or your father doesn't answer your phone for a couple of hours, what is the first thought that comes? Something might happen. Maybe they got into a car crash or whatever. All the negative stuff comes up, right? And we can't stop the negative thought. But what we can do is switch them faster. Switch them really quick. Instead of pay attention and focus on the negative for hours and weeks and months, we can change it in a few seconds. Not months, not days, not hours, seconds. And that happened when you ask the right question, and that is that useful to me? Will that help me in some way? When you ask the question, notice what's happening. Your mind is shifting, your focus is shifting, and wherever focus goes, energy flows, like Tony Robbins says. So when you're asking that, is that useful to me? Notice what comes up. So write down right now in the comment below, if you have negative thoughts that come in right now, ask yourself, is that useful to me? Comment below what come up. And I'm sure the answer will be no, right? Because it's not useful to you. Okay, now comes the second part. It's okay, you ask the first part, is that useful to me? But it's not strong enough. You got to use the second part in order to have the complete set, if you will. So you ask, is that useful for me? And the second one, what action can I do right now? So, is it useful to me? What action can I do right now? And then your whole focus change. You're not focusing on the poor me, on the victimized, on the bad shit that's going on. And a lot of bad shit going on right now with the COVID, with the riots. But okay, are you focusing on that, or are you focusing on doing something? Are you focusing on taking an action and not staying stuck and playing small, but playing full out? Go to the next level. What are you doing? Because I'm sure you don't want that years go by, and when all that over, you will say, damn, what I used with that time? I played small. I saw Netflix all day. I was on Facebook all day. Is that what you want? No. And I'm sure you don't want that. That's why I'm here and telling you that. Because I've been there for years. For years I've been there. And I don't want you to stay stuck and playing small. That's it. Let's destroy it. Let's crush it. So, right now, ask yourself, is that useful to me, what you're thinking? The bad, negative things that's going on in your head. Comment below. Is that useful to you? Comment below, right now. Okay, let's do that together. No, right? So, what action are you going to take upon it? Comment below. Let's commit. Let's help each other. Let's develop that accountability that we can go and rise up to the next level, that we can go and rise up all together. So, comment below right now, what action are you going to take today? Not keeping procrastinate, not saying tomorrow, not saying next week, now. What action are you going to take right now in order to change things in your life, in order to move the needle? What is it? Comment below right now. What is the action? Let's get it together. Let's get that accountability. And I don't know if you write something right now, because I don't see anything from some reason. Not even the likes that's going up. I saw from now and there. But write down, comment below. I will go to your comments. I will go through that. So comment below. What is the action that you're going to take right now? And is that useful to you, the negative thoughts that's coming up? Every time. Make it as a habit. Every time that a bad thought's coming up, ask yourself, is that useful? What action can I do? Let's rise up all together. And if you like that, give me a thumbs up that I know that you like and you want more of it. And and I will see you next time, everybody. Have an awesome and wonderful day, and thank you for being here. Thank you for investing your time with me today. I will see you next time. Have a great one.